In this video tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you can use the Eternal wallet. This is a Cardano wallet, and Cardano has been rising in price and has attracted a lot of attention, especially in the last couple of days because the price movement has been parabolic. And many people are thinking on how to buy Cardano, how to save it, how to store it was the most appropriate way. Um, in this video, we're going to be talking about the Eternal wallet. The Eternal wallet used to be called Ccvault, so it has changed the name. There are other wallets, and I've just recorded a video on the Nami wallet, so just to show you how the Nami wallet looks like. This is the Nami wallet. It's a browser wallet, and you can see all your assets over here and all your tokens. Uh, and also, I recorded a video on the hold on the Yoroi wallet. If I can click that, yeah, that's the Yoroi wallet, and this is how the Yoroi wallet looks like. So you can watch those videos to see to compare, just to see which wallet is the best for you. But in this video, we can focus specifically on the Eternal wallet. One of the advantages of the Eternal wallet versus the Nami wallet is that Eternal wallet can also be stored on your mobile phone. And I'm just logging into the mobile phone now, and you can see here, that's the Eternal wallet. And that is how it's going to look on that's actually a screenshot from my mobile phone. That's exactly how it's going to look. Let's check the functions of the Eternal wallet just to show you how it operates. And then you can decide which one is the best for you. Eternal wallet is actually one of my favorite wallets on the Cardano chain. There's so many wallets. Actually, there's only one left that I haven't recorded the video. Deadlust. I have Deadlust as well, but it's been a long day. I might leave that for a different day. I don't have much in Deadlust. I've removed all the funds recently and I shifted them into these wallets because they're faster. And now with the Cardano price going up, I need to be able to execute transactions fast. Stay until the end of this video if you want to hear my honest opinion about Cardano. ADA, is it worth buying, selling? When is the best time to buy and sell? All that is going to come to the end. Usually you start with the tutorial with the technical part, and then you go to the soft system analysis. So let's see what's happening with the Eternal Wallet. That's my account. And here you can see all the balances that I have in this account. Those are pools. So if you wanted to allocate your funding to redelegate it to a different pool, you can simply do it here in the wallet. You don't have to go to a separate web page to delegate and redelegate. Actually, on that aspect, Cardano is very advanced, more advanced than most other chains, that all the delegation is usually happening in the wallet. And here you can trace your transactions, and that's another good thing comparing to MetaMask. It actually keeps the record. So it has 197 transactions found on this account, and all of those are here. If you go to MetaMask, sometimes they are not recorded, then you have to go to a specific chain like Arbitrum Scan or Ethereum Scan. Here you can see them, and all of those transactions here are actually for drips. Those are drips. And if you don't know what's drips, is this web page that you go there, you paste your address, and they're gonna give you those meme coins that they are valueless. I made this warning in every video, so I'm gonna say it again. Be careful. When I was doing those drips, I just didn't know better, but they never gonna they won't go in value. I can almost guarantee you. I've been holding those. You see that transaction here is from 2022, and they have not gone up. They're not gonna go up. You're gonna have to pay five ADA to buy those meme coins, and it's not like with the other meme coins. It's not like with Dogecoin. It's not like with Foxy. It's not like they won't go up. So if you're buying them just for fun. And here you can see how many of those transactions I have. I have 20 pages of transactions, 197 transactions of how I bought them. And here somewhere we're going to find them, we're going to see them. What else do we have? If you want to send, this is how you can send. You paste the address over there, you type the amount of ADA that you're going to send, and that's it. If you want to swap, this is a new function which was not built into these wallets when I stopped using them. And the reason why I stopped using them is because I realized that the airdrops are a lot more profitable in a bear market. So when we had this period of the market, for me, there was nothing else happening, and there was no point doing those transactions because here at least I accumulated some transactions that I got air jobs for that. And air jobs are very profitable in the bear market. Now we're in a bull market, and this is the time that I'm trying to sell all my bags and accumulate liquidity because that is my liquidity. It's stored into various different wallets. So I already recorded a video on Yoroi. I have like 700 other there, Nami, and this it has to go. It has to be sold. If you want to receive, you can click that and you can share it. So I'm sharing it here on the screen. This is like publicly available thing. In terms of private keys, you can consider this to be your public key. The private key is going to be worth. In terms of staking, here you can see my staking. I'm staking in Den Ada. I think there was some reason why I was staking there, but you can just click here and change it. So you can delegate. So you see that button. Once you hover over it, it's going to highlight, and then you click delegate, and it's going to shift there. It's still going to finish the epoch. Cardano works in epoch, so that's one epoch. So it's still going to finish that epoch, and it's going to start accumulating from the next epoch. That is how it works. If you click delegate, it's going to end that week. It's not going to shift on the same day, which means that if there's something happening, if a new pool is going to award something from a specific date, you need to work backwards and then delegate in advance. That is all that there is in terms of delegation. What else? Voting. Again, Cardano is very advanced into these voting mechanisms. They're all built into the wallet. You don't have to go to a separate web page and click. And here you get the account settings. I usually don't like clicking on those account settings because then I have to recheck the videos that I'm not showing my private keys to people. What else is there in here? You can add multiple wallets. And actually, sometimes you can take the private keys from Yoroi or Nami and key them in there. Sometimes it works. You have to see which ones are compatible and which ones are not. And in terms of the wallet and the functionality, that's it really. Now let's look at the mobile app just to see what we can find on the mobile app. It's a very simplistic app, but it does everything that you need. So this is the mobile app, and as you can see, it's not that different from the browser app. Here you can see all your transactions. You can scroll to those, they're going to stay there. You can send funding, you can swap, you can receive, you can stake, everything you can do into the mobile app. Now, having said that, what's my game plan with Cardano? And again, I'm saying this for the third time today. I just want to make sure that if somebody's watching just one of the videos and is not watching the videos about the other wallets, because there's multiple wallets, so I'm repeating this again. It's been a long time that we've been waiting for this price to go up. It's been a really long time. So that over there is 2022. And now it's 2024. So it's 2 years that when you locked your money over there, when you bought it, you were not able to withdraw them because if you withdraw them, you lose them. Actually, I had to sell some because I needed a few £100 and I lost a lot of that. So now it's picking up. And what is my game plan? I'm expecting that the maximum that it's going to reach is around 3 USD. Then it's going to face a significant pressure point on the downside. But the question is if it's going to reach, and let me know what's your opinion because I have some bags to sell, and I'm going to sell them. That's my plan. It's my plan to sell. I'm not hiding it. I'm not saying go and buy other. You buy other in this section over here. So that's when you should have been buying other if you want to buy other. And price is probably going to go down again in the next bear market. You're going to have another opportunity. I'm planning to sell. And my first exit is around here, 1.5. So that's the first point that I'm planning to start selling. I'm going to sell maybe 50%, and then I'm going to sell another 25%. And I'm not planning to reach that stage. That is the stage that I'm not planning to wait for. My entry points, my exit points to sell my bags is 1.5 because I need the liquidity and I cannot wait. But Cardano has the potential to go up much higher. It can break this all-time high and it can definitely shoot parabolic up. It can. So that is not something that you must you have to be prepared for that, but I'm not going to risk it, so I'm gonna sell over here. And what is my thesis? Why am I selling here? Well, let me show you. Those coins over there, they have no value. I've been buying them and collecting them for years and years and years, and there's no value. They're good looking, like for little children to collect those badges, but they never really developed any use case. And without the use case, a blockchain is pointless. So that is my first reason. Second reason, I believe that after the and this is my thesis, that first Bitcoin goes up, then after Bitcoin, all the top 10 altcoins will go up. So Cardano is one of the top 10. So after uh, after Bitcoin, then all of those coins are going up. But then, and that's what's happening now, but then after this, then we're gonna have the third phase. And in the third phase, we're gonna get some really exotic coins to be pumping. And those are not here on this list. Though this list here, they're all following the same trend like the top 10 now. Aave, for example, it's a big project. So if I had to place my bet on which coins would be going up after in the third phase, would be the real degen coins. And I'm gonna record a video tomorrow on the top degen coins. So that is one reason why you should subscribe and like this button, like this video and subscribe to the channel, because tomorrow I'm going to be doing that. Just one day is not enough, and things are happening very fast in the crypto market now. Everything is pumping, people are going crazy. You need to calm down. You need to calm down a little bit. You need to let these top 10 coins fly. Don't buy coins like Gala. Can it go up? Yes. But the last bull run, when this coin went up really crazy, so let's look all-time high. When you look at that stage, the market cap was different. There was not that many Gala. Now there's loads of Gala. So the market cap here, the total supply is like 37 billion coins, 37 billion Gala. These coins, it's pure speculation if they start pumping up really high. So I'm going to be looking at some coins that they have potential value, and one of those could be Beam. Axie Infinity, no, I won't be investing anything in Axie Infinity, because again, it has a potential to go up, but be careful here. Let's look at this. Let's do a short technical analysis. This was meant to be an eternal wallet. How did I get here? Um, so that was 138. Yes, yes. So this has a potential to go up, but there were a lot less coins over there. So there's a lot more coins. But I'm gonna record this video tomorrow, because otherwise the video is gonna get really long, and you won't really get much. Nobody's going to listen such long coin. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the video tomorrow.